sobrang plastic ni Sharon, yung parang...
Sila ang number 1 hater kay BBM last time eh. Kung naalala niyo mga video circulating including their daughter.
I am not going to have my president be named Ferdinand Marcos again, ever.
They were so against BBM. And for her to say that last night kay BBM, kaplastikan yun.
I'm happy to be here, sir. And sir, I have only one vice president, pero my date tonight. Mali your choice, no? Sorry, okay, let's move on.
Tamang piliin ni Gabi na piliin si Grace Ibunan, mga panahon na yun.
Oo.
Dahil kung naging asawa niyo ngayon yan, o ayan.
Iiyak na naman si Shawi kasi nabash siya matapos halikan ni Judas. Si Sharon yung typical na artista na nalaos and she did not laos gracefully.
The one and only Inday Sara. I just congratulated her because napakaganda ng Davao. From the moment I arrived, sabi ko malinis na ito noon, maganda na. Bakit tayo mas gumanda? We've been friends for a long time. I met her in the 80s, 90s, and we have not lost touch. So this was long before your father even decided to run. But I've always admired her because she's really been a good mayor. I call her Inday Mayor and she calls me. It's so cute, so sweet. Ate siya. Ate talaga.
Thank you very much for supporting Davao City. And thank you for making everybody